Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back again with a short video. This is my 2017 F-150 EcoBoost. I was seeing a bunch of videos of people installing 22x12s in their trucks, and I just decided they looked good, so I gave it a shot. So I just got the backs on. They are 33s, -44 offset. Pokes out just a little bit. This is my first truck, so I'm still getting used to working on the truck. 2017. Did a little stuff to it. Got my windows tinted. Soft cover for now. Had to add a little EcoBoost touch to it. Black emblems. But I'm about to get to the front. Most people say you gotta cut these bars out in the back and the front to fit 22x12s. On 33s, and the truck is just leveled on a 2-inch leveling kit. It's not on flat land right now, so yeah, I'm about to find out how they fit and what I have to cut, and I'll update you guys shortly on that. These are the wheels, TIS. Got them for a good deal. Has a little bit of curve rash, but I'm about to touch that up. Old black paint, tape with no cards. Balling on a budget. Well, I'll be right back. There's the other. Without doing any trimming, I just wanted to see where it rubs at. Keep going. That's where it's gonna start. It's already. That's where it's hitting that defender, so come back up, straighten it back up. If you're gonna run 33s on 22x12s, you have to slice this little piece of plastic off and do a little trimming in here. I haven't seen where I need to cut this back crash bar yet, but I'll get to that soon. And for the front, can you turn to the right for me? Keep going. Keep cutting, keep cutting. Alright, it's all right there. This is as far as you can turn before you hit the front crash bar. Making contact. So I'll probably just go ahead and slice it off at the front. Make my cut down there back where the bolts is coming from. Just get it all out the way. And then it's back here. Go ahead and slice that off right about here. And that's where it's hitting. I had to mark it off. So it's not too bad once your truck is level. Day 2 of me installing these 22x12s on my leveled F-150. Just finished up. The back was no issue, of course. We'll go right on, no rub, no anything. Does have a little poke. 22x12, -44 offset wheels. In case I didn't let you guys know. Had to add that, it's cute. But the problem in the front, all I had to trim was, I just cut the front crash bar out. I left the back, it's not rubbing or not even close to that, but it rubs right here. I've trimmed it a little bit. I didn't have a grinder, so I just used Sawzall to do it all pretty much. If I had a grinder, it'd probably be good, but when I turn, it rubs right here, just a tad bit. But not bad, so I ain't gonna worry too much about it. But just finished up, wheels look good on it. Headlights next. Thinking about going darker on the tint. It's only 20, I'm thinking 5% maybe. That's how she sits. Might take this off next. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. This is how you fit 22x12s on your leveled F-150. Take it easy.